welcome back to Alpha Techo. I just got a bunch of new glitters in from my favorite glitter shop, and so today we are going to be playing around with some glitter in aqua resin, the eco-friendly resin material that we have. And here is what the glitters look like. The colors are so beautiful, and I pretty much have all the colors of the rainbow, kind of. So I did make some sample trays to see how it will work out, and these are the two trays that I made, and I will show you how I make these, and then we are going to be making more trays with the glitters. Let's get started. Here are the abstract tray molds that we are using for this project. I made these myself, but I am actually reducing my molds for sale collection, so these molds are no longer available, but you can do this project with any of your own molds. These are the beautiful glitters that we'll be using. They are from Dreaming of Glitters on Instagram. I have a discount code for you in the description if you want to try them out. The Mystic one was made just for me and I got to name it, so that's pretty cool. And Opal Skies just goes well with everything. Let's mix up some aqua resin first and then paint on our designs. As always, we are mixing 1 part L liquid to 3.5 parts S3 powder. We are pairing the Opal Skies glitter tray with a blue and the Mystic with a purple. So first we are going to add some blue to the mixture, and once we pour our blue tray, we will add the red to make a purple. The pigments that we're using to tint this mixture are from Jesmonite, and I got these from Mad Maker. All the materials used for this project will be linked in the description. We'll mix this up with our electric mixer to get an even mixture and then start our designs. First thing we do is to make sure our mold is clean. If there are any dust or specks that don't belong, we just use some tape to pick it up. For the glitter design, this is just like an initial test, so I am just dusting some glitters to create something abstract. I learned from my previous video, the one where I dusted hollow flakes onto the mold, to not be so generous with the dusting. In that video, a lot of the flakes got stuck to the mold, and it also created some weird textures on my pieces. If you haven't seen that video, watch it after and you'll see what I mean. But anyways, because of that, I am just dusting a light layer of glitter to the tray. I am kind of using the brush to press down on the glitters so everything sticks to the mold. Once the glitters are good, we'll pour our aqua resin mixture. These pieces were left for about 2 hours now, and they're ready to be demolded. The mold looks pretty clean and the piece looks so cute. The glitters shift a bit and it looks like a line of stars, something in the galaxy. The blue on blue makes it a little bit difficult to see, but I still like it. Now let's take a look at the purple one. This one is totally galaxy vibes, a little more than the other one. Look at that shift and shimmer. It's like real stars, and it's so pretty on this matte tray. Let's do another pour with some designs and other colors. This time we are going to use a light terracotta color for the background to contrast the glitters and help them stand out a little more. For this pour, we are going to use a green mix and a yellow mix, both from Dreaming of Glitters again, and we will brush on a monstera leaf design and lemon design with some stencils. I just made these stencils out of cardstock and they're not the greatest, but they do the job fine. We will brush the glitters in the stencils and then pour the terracotta aqua resin mixture. It's 2 hours later and we're ready to demold these pieces. I love the fast cure time of aqua resin. And well, this tray is cute at some angles. The angles where you can see the lemon. Maybe the lemon head mix was just a little light and had some transparency. Here's what the monstera leaf looks like, and you can definitely see the design a little more. The glitter is shifting between green and purplish, and it's so pretty. I just wanted to show a little comparison of a tray that I made with hollow dust. I've used the hollow dust in a previous video, and it's more of a finer mix of glitter. And it's more opaque, so at all angles you can see the lemon. With this specific tray, I think my takeaway is to not use so transparent glitter, but glitter can definitely work really nicely with this eco-friendly resin material. Let's take a look at all the trays we made today. Here's a more abstract one, and I can't stop seeing the glitters as stars on this tray. It's so pretty. I think the purple glitter is definitely a little bit more opaque, and this Opal Skies also has some opaque colors, so they both look really nice. I still love this lemon one because it could definitely be like a little surprise. And then this beautiful monstera leaf tray. Which one of these trays is your favorite? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think about this glittery and matte aesthetic in a piece and what else you want to see. I'll see you next time.